Small to medium-sized enterprises have been thriving and play a key role in the booming German economy. SMEs have been instrumental contributors to digital global value chains.
We have more than 1,300 companies out of the Mittelstand who are so-called hidden champions. That means that they are really the major competitors in their niche markets. And this is especially true when we speak about manufacturing and many industries who are successful worldwide.
A special feature of the German industry is the German Mittelstand, the small and medium-sized companies. They are special in the way that they are very much focused on innovation. Often family-owned companies have a strong regional footprint, are active at the global level, and through their innovation they are able to compete at that level. Germany has no Silicon Valley, and we don't need a Silicon Valley since we have small and medium-sized companies.
Digital global value chains are playing a key role in global economic growth, which in turn advance inclusive and sustainable industrial development. These value chains offer new opportunities for countries, organizations, and SMEs to further their reach globally. As Germany has proven, a robust SME presence can create a formidable economy, both domestically and internationally.
German industry relies largely on export, so every fourth job in industry is depending on exports. Therefore, German industry has a large interest in global free trade and open access to markets.
Although about 1% of the world's population resides in Germany, close to 50% of the world's leading SMEs are from Germany, where the majority of exports are generated from the manufacturing sector. It's no secret that Germany is a global manufacturing heavyweight. Their focus on developing a skilled labor force has been key to their rise as an industrial powerhouse.
Core element of Germany's success in the field of manufacturing, process and automation technologies is our education system, not only in universities and business schools, but also at site on the shop floor. A dedicated worker and technician education on the job. Besides that, we still have a high rate of investments in research and development, especially when it comes to process performance and industrial automation.
Germany is widely renowned as a 4IR leader around the world. However, Germany's manufacturing strength is no coincidence and did not just appear overnight.